Magandang buhay mga kamami! Lynn here and welcome to our kitchen. Mag-share kami ngayon ng isang napakasarap na recipe na pwede pang merienda, ihanda sa handaan o kaya naman ay pang negosyo. Kaya ano pang iniintay natin? Let's cook! Sa isang mixing bowl, maglagay ng 250 grams cake flour or all-purpose flour, 110 grams butter, then mix using your hands. After mixing, add 1/4 cup sugar, 1 medium-sized egg, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix well hanggang sa maging dough-like ang consistency nito at hindi na dumidikit sa kamay. Then, wrap the dough with a cling wrap and set aside first. Meanwhile, separate the syrup from the peaches. Then, slice the peaches. In the cooking pan, pour the peach syrup, then add 5 tablespoons cornstarch, 1/3 cup sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then, dissolve it first before turning on the stove. Once dissolved, pwede na po natin buksan ang stove and set into medium-low heat. Continuously mix hanggang sa maging thick ang consistency nito. Kapag ganito na ang consistency, add the sliced peaches and mix until the peaches are fully coated with the mixture. Parang ganito. Remove from the heat right away and set aside to cool down. For our pastry dough, flatten it out evenly with a rolling pin. Just make sure na dahan-dahan po tayo sa pagpa-flatten para hindi masira yung dough. Tapos, kapag flat na, pwede na natin i-transfer yung flattened pastry dough. Para mas madali, pwede nyo pong gayahin ang ginawa namin sa video. Flatten it out. Tapos, tanggalin natin yung excess pastry dough sa gilid. After that, lagyan natin ng curves yung pastry dough. Then, tusukan lang po natin ng tinidor ang base ng pastry dough. Maglagay ng parchment paper sa ibabaw, then magpatong ng isang object na medyo mabigat para hindi po umalsa yung dough. Pre-bake natin in a preheated oven for 12 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. After 12 minutes, take out the pastry base and brush it with egg wash. Bake in the oven for another 3 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. After 3 minutes, ilagay na natin yung ginawa nating peach filling. Make sure to spread evenly. Then, put the leftover pastry dough on top. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or until the top turns brown. After 20 to 22 minutes, take out the pie and let it cool down. Slice into equal parts and we're done! Ready to serve na ang ating peach pie. Kung natakam kayo sa dessert recipe na ito mga kamami, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and turn on the notifications para updated kayo sa mga masasarap at nakakatakam na recipes na i-upload sa aming channel. See you in the next video and happy cooking!